I'm Adam Ivy, and I'm about to show you how 10 pounds of M&Ms could change the way you market your music forever. Quick question and be honest. If I told you that you could win $1 million if you guessed the exact amount of M&Ms that could fit into this jar, would that affect your guess compared to if you were just doing it for fun? Would you use tools to help you make an educated guess, such as maybe an accurate food scale? Then why wouldn't you be using tools to help you have more of an accurate result when it comes to having a music career? Now, I'm going to show you something that might blow your mind, but before we get into that, I want you in the comments to guess how many of these M&Ms are going to actually fit into this jar. If you need a second to think, pause the video, not too long. While you do that, let's find out. That's 3 so far. Ooh. Now, before I started this video, I opened up a different package and I counted out 500 M&Ms one by one, and then I weighed them, as you can see here. I also weighed this empty jar so that we could get an accurate number from the scale. Now, with that being said, I can tell you that based on the overall weight right here, there's approximately 4,060 M&Ms in this jar right now, give or take a few. Now, if I were to ask you to hunt down one specific M&M out of this entire jar, that might take you a while, right? After all, just counting 500 took me a while. That's a boatload of M&Ms, but to put it into perspective, every single day, there are over 60,000 new songs uploaded to Spotify. That's over 420,000 a week, or 1.8 million every single month. Give or take a few. Now here's the good news. Spotify has over 100 million daily active users, so there's no shortage of people looking for new music. The question is, how do we get them there? Well, just like making a more accurate guess with these M&Ms, we want to use tools to help predict our own outcome, right? These tools come in the form of a marketing system. Now here's what most people's music journey looks like, right? They make music, then mix in a dash of prayer, 2 tablespoons of hope, and then 4 cups of luck, then boom! Oh wait. That doesn't really work, and is probably why most music creators fail to gain traction long term. That's what I call spray and pray marketing, and it's actually pretty awesome if you're addicted to being frustrated and love feeling bad for yourself. Now, all jokes aside, guys, I like to tackle things a little bit differently with what I call magnetic music marketing. It's where you set up a system consisting of brand development and marketing systems such as audience targeting, traffic generation, offer creation, an actual user path that you put together that takes strangers from follower to fan to family, aka super fan, in a way that takes less time and is way better when it comes to your conversion rates. So in doing this, we take that luck slice of the pie that so many people rely on, we shrink it way down, which puts the control of your music career back in your own hands. And yes, there is still a small slice of luck here. If anyone tells you that luck has zero effect on their life, they're full of shit. But luck has a small role in everyone's life. Without it, I wouldn't have met my wife, or maybe I wouldn't have you here watching this video right now. Positioning makes luck a whole lot easier to control. Positioning ties directly into structuring your VCO, which is your visibility, your connection with your audience, and your offers. You need to be present where your target audience is, but just as important, you need to feed your target audience with the content they connect with most. Doesn't matter if you're on Instagram or TikTok, or have a bunch of followers that watch your meals in 60 seconds cooking videos, or your zany lip sync videos. If you want to be known for music, none of that matters. The solution to your problems are the systems needed to solve them. As creatives, it's easy to get wrapped up in the art side of things, but in order for us to see success long term, that's going to require us to look at building our music career as a business, which isn't always fun, but is necessary nonetheless. Can't tell you guys how tempted I am to eat some of these. Anyway, so in a traditional business plan, you have to plot things out such as the executive summary, the company description, the products and services that you'll be offering, and then a market analysis, I think they call it, as well as a few other things depending on how deep you want to go with it. But as creatives, these are some of the things that we need to look at when it comes to doing music as a business, right? Building your own music-based brand and business. Now, I go really deep into all this stuff in my upcoming Sell Music Masterclass 3.0, but I want to give you guys an exercise here for free that you can do right now that'll help your systems and move you in the right direction. Sound good? So grab something to write with and be sure to take notes as always. Now, on a piece of paper or in the notes on your phone, I want you to write down these things. Who am I and why should people care? What people am I serving with my music? Where do those people spend their time online? How can I position myself in front of those people? And when am I going to start taking action to make that happen? Now, if you're unable to answer any of these questions with certainty, and you find yourself answering kind of generic, like, I make music for everyone and they should care because my music is great, then we have a whole lot of work to do. See, these are foundational questions that you need to be able to answer, and here's the thing. Every one of you will have different answers, but when it comes to self-development and building systems, the questions that you ask are just as important as the tactics and strategies that you're going to be putting into place to get the results that you seek. Now, with that being said, in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how magnetic music marketing will save you time, money, frustration, by giving you a proven plan of attack that cuts out the annoying guesswork that unfortunately leaves most music creators stranded. Also, I mentioned that in my last video, I'm going to be opening enrollment for my Sell Music Masterclass 3.0, opening again in just a few days for a small group of dedicated music creators who are ready to go all the way in on their music. So if that's something that you're genuinely interested in, make sure to click on the link under this video or the link on the screen right now to get your name on that early bird waiting list. Everyone on that early bird waiting list is going to have access to the registration link the day before the program launches to the public. So make sure to get your name on that early bird waiting list. Just click the link, fill out the form. All you have to do is enter your name and your email address, and your spot's going to be reserved, which will give you early access to the program. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.